Guys, good morning. Bitcoin, as we've been mentioning, we were expecting a stall and expecting a pullback, but man, big thing I want to tell you guys, this is not the time to be selling. There's not a single chart from the 4-year cycles perspective, from MVRVZ score, from terminal price, from the rainbow chart. None of these charts say that Bitcoin top is in. So I'm going to start there. Okay, I'm going to unravel and unpack a few things in this video today. When you guys look at the peak of December 1st, 2017 and correlate this to the peak in November 1st, 2021, we can see that $108,000 for Bitcoin, that was estimated to be the peak for the trend line, okay? Not the peak of cryptocurrency, for the trend line. Since then, what's been happening here is we've been breaking down. And since we've been breaking down, let me get rid of this red circle for 1 second here. What's happening is we are just following very closely to the ascending support lines. And so last night, we ended up seeing the push back down to the first strongest support line, which is in yellow here. We saw a push back up, a break, and trying to get a retest. And then we ended up seeing a possible contest of the second yellow line to the downside here. Now, what I've done, I'm not going to make it public here. I've just released it to all of our members. I have specifically just bought certain cryptocurrencies at this exact moment, because I do think by Christmas time, investments that are made in the market right now could do very well coming up here. Okay, we saw this on the daily time frame. If you guys were the weekly time frame. If you guys were looking at the indicators, we had a 99% chance of a drop here when we hit 108,000. We had red bars here to the upside saying, hey, the market is getting overheated. Now, I want to make this very clear because I don't want people to get confused by this. I still do believe $110,000 to $120,000 by Christmas Day or sooner is very, very probable for Bitcoin. And what we're seeing here is we're just seeing a pullback. We're seeing whales put up sell walls above the current price, and we are seeing them sell off, and we are actually getting a really good buying opportunity. I'm not just saying that based off of, Travis thinks he's got a good theology here. No, look at Mr. 100. So I've been tracking Mr. 100 here, and he has been absolutely gobbling up Bitcoin here. So as the drop has been taking place, if we can watch to see what are whales doing, whales are coming in, especially Mr. 100. He is buying up a massive amount, $10 to $11 million worth of Bitcoin on every single one of these drops in the last 3 days. Okay, so when I see that, it tells me this is not the time to be scared and to be selling. This is the time to be reaccumulating. Like, look at where Algorand is. Like, let me clear this up real quick so you guys see. I'm going to flick through a few of these. You guys need to sometimes just get off, the smaller time frames, go to the larger time frames, and just look to see where are we at. This run on Algorand, guys, Algorand is not even done. Algorand is one of the sleeper coins. I do believe Algorand is easily going to hit $1.50, if not $2 to $2.50 this cycle. You're getting a 50% retracement, guys. A lot of things are coming back down to 50% retracements. Look at the high here. Go all the way straight back. Sorry, I already had it on there. A 50% retracements here coming back down to the yellow. Okay. And when you guys can see this on these bigger time frames, you guys can see these are very, very good entries back into the market. Okay. And even ones that don't necessarily have big drops in the market, like XRP and XLM, you have to understand the theory behind this. So let me coach you guys a little bit on this. And then I'm going to go into this more actually tomorrow. Oh, by the way, while I'm getting my pad ready over here, guys, we're going live on an inner circle today. So at 2 p.m. Pacific time, I'm going to be live with you guys. And all of our members, we're going to get on a Zoom call, and you guys can feel free to ask me questions if you want to just, get to know me a little bit more. It's a really calm, fun setting. So it's going to be really fun, and that's going to be at 2 p.m. Pacific time today. You guys just need a membership for that. Okay, so let's take a look at altcoins. Let me try to explain this to you guys, because if you can understand this concept, this is how we ended up buying and really loading up on Solana when we bought in $24,000 at $24, and we were doing fantastically well on that. And we did this for other coins as well, like SHIB as well as Dogecoin. Okay. As the market's going up, as your altcoins are going up, guys, and you start seeing the market go back down and you start seeing it bleed, what you need to do is you need to have your watch list up. On that right-hand side, you guys saw my watch list there. In that watch list, you're going to have a bunch of different coins and you're going to have different prices over here. These different prices, some are going to be red and some periodically through here are going to be green. There's more to this than you believe. Okay, what is green over here tells you a little secret about the altcoins, the specific ones that are green. What does it tell you? It tells you what is low in price is being acquired. I know it's mind-boggling, right? But if you could understand this, when the whole market is crashing, whatever is on discount and does not crash as much tells you what people want to buy the most of, does it not? Okay, Bitcoin's the rising tide, guys. Bitcoin is the water. All of the altcoins right now are the ships. As Bitcoin rises and lowers, it's going to lower all of your altcoins as well. The market is going to sell off. But if you can look at the couple that are green, I'm going to give you XRP, guys, is actually green today. You can tell what people are wanting to acquire the most of based off the cryptocurrencies that don't fall with the rest of the market. They are propped up with what? With buying power. And if you can find these, this tells you what has the most strength going into the next bull market phase. What people buy the most of while the market is going down tells you what is anticipated to have the greatest strength going into the next leg up. All right, now let's take this and let me show you guys how to watch this on your watch list. What is this? Okay, well, it's XRP. It is clearly SUI down here. It's Quant. VET, it's HBAR. Guys, these are the ISO coins. These are the finance coins, Aptos, okay? So when I see this, it tells me, all right, as the market's going back down, as Bitcoin's dropping back down, we need to be paying attention very close to what is turning green faster than all the rest of the coins. That is what people want to purchase the most of, okay? I'm going to dive into this more, and I know, guys, a lot of people are thinking about XRP. I'm going to go over a small masterclass tomorrow and actually give you guys a sheet of why XRP I think is going to blow you guys away. Out of everything we own, we stocked up on XRP because here's the thing. To be really transparent with you guys, I hardly owned any XRP. It was the Lord. In a prayer time, I really heard the Lord say, you need to own XRP and XLM. You guys know my OGs. I've never held XLM and XRP, hardly anything. It was like our number, I think, 13th and 14th position. We shot this up to number 1 and number 3 because of the conviction I felt. Now what I'm doing is I'm going back and I'm going into the deep pipes and understanding, how does XRP work? How does RLUSD work in the world? And when I release this masterclass tomorrow, guys, in the membership, it's going to be under the future forecast. I'm telling you guys, I don't want you guys to FOMO in. Please don't FOMO in. But look at what I'm giving you. I'm going to give you guys a downloadable spreadsheet as well, so you can actually read through the reasons of why I am so heavily invested into XRP as well as XLM, the ISO coins. We, I believe, are going to get a massive utility bull run this cycle. A utility. Okay? Remember this word, a utility. Utility bull run says that the actual utility of these different coins, ISO coins, when they're implemented, they could actually cause the price to extend further upwards while the rest of the market bleeds in a normal selling off period, which is the 2026 bear market. I will explain that to you guys tomorrow, and I'm going to get on live with you guys on a Zoom call today. So let me walk you guys through this real quick. This is very simple. In the description, there's an emoji. It's a gift box. Guys, it's Christmas. I put a gift box there for everybody. Okay? It is 25% off our membership. Once you guys sign up, goes directly to the future forecast, and look at what I posted on the 19th. I don't want to give this away, but I bought $15,000 worth of specific altcoins this morning. Watch this. Then I want you guys to go over to the inner circle. I'm going to be careful because I posted the Zoom link here. Guys, come down here and click on the Zoom link, and you guys can join us at 2 p.m. Pacific time today. We're going to go on live on Zoom for an hour. I'm going to just open up to a big Q&A for all of our members, and I'm going to answer some questions there. On top of this, guys, we did just call out some new trade setups. I know a lot of you guys are following us on this. We are 266 wins and 0 losses, and I did just call out Josh. Thank you for doing this. He just mocked all these up and called them out for you guys. We just called out a bunch of trades. Guys, I really do believe what we get into right now, by Christmas, we are going to see really, really good results on. This market is not going to keep going down forever. We are in the bullish phase. And what we're seeing is a healthy pullback for the market to extend higher than $108,000, in my personal opinion, by Christmas. And I know it's coming up here. We've got 6 days, but I do think we could see a spike back up here soon going into Christmas and the end of December. And I think right now we're getting very good buying opportunities. So guys, join me on the Zoom call later. Join me on the masterclass of XRP tomorrow of why I am purchasing so much and why I'm going to be purchasing more, and actually looking to potentially sell out of some of my other altcoins just to buy more XRP before the next leg up, which, by the way, it's expected to start very soon. So I hope you guys are paying attention to all this. Okay, that is tomorrow. Grab a membership. I love you guys. Enjoy the videos we're coming out with, and I'll see you guys in the inner circle at 2 p.m. Pacific time later today. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Everything is linked in the description. Bye, guys.